Here is a really quick, just the tip, just the quickie. Here's a quickie for you. Real fast tool review. This is a vertical belt sander. This is a Harbor Freight unit. There's a lot of other units like it. I know you're probably asking yourself, well, what the hell is that? And that's a tool in the making. This is an extra big ass belt sander. I don't know the exact length of that belt, but it's very, very big. This was actually used for plastics, plexiglass, things like that, acrylics. We found it, couldn't resist it. We're still working on wiring it up, but for now we're gonna use this little baby unit. Actually, this thing's tried and true. I've used this for a long time. There's definitely a couple tools in my arsenal that help me get started, you know, nothing fancy. This was definitely one of them. It just helps shaving things down a lot of times on tubing to get it nice and flat, because that's very important when butting it up, and just like flattening out this, rounding corners. You know, you're able to go in there and kind of round the corners. And I use this top drum here to kind of shave down any kind of radius. So in order for me to get like a nice clean, you see like right here, I'm gonna have to do some trimming to get this nice and tight. I like to use this little drum to get a nice little radius to kind of file it down. So there's that.